So what's your bad experience in a foreign guy? They didn't pay you? So you had threesome with other girl, and he didn't pay you, or does the other girl too? Oh, he didn't pay the girls. And you guys were arguing about it, and you don't have rights to go to barangay because
Kasi freelancer lang daw kami na ano.
they tell that they're not, the police also to Lomen told that also. The barangay in a walking street, they said that the police or the barangay there, they're not obligated with you, cause your guys are not working inside the bar. You're just a freelance. That's sad. That's Be careful with your who you go with, okay? Because you don't know where you're going to end up.